beautiful day here in Vietnam. It's our second full day and our first stop is here in Vietland. Beautiful interior, guys, for a shop, and their main product is latex foam.
While the medical glove made from natural latex like this can come into direct with often one, do you? Yeah, that's because inside the natural latex contains a special type of protein which is very effective in disinfection and antibacterial. So taking the advantage of the antibacterial properties of natural latex, the latex contain as product is 94% are resistant to mold and can be used for 10 to 20 years without blackening or staining. So,
okay, now yes, I check with form 5 form. And do you know what happened with the form?
You know what happened with the foam? Yellow siya. Okay.
You can see the form has changed colors.
Change
Yes,
color.
from this, the form has now antibacterial.
Blue pa rin.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Yeah. Wala yung blue.
Ay, wala yung blue.
You can see
It's still white.
Magic.
the form has now changed colors.
Magic.
And the rubber is
Gara, ginawa ito na eh.
so the rubber has antibacterial properties. So that's why rubber, the protect, have very good for health and protect your skin.
What's the why latex foam is better than the usual? Here, explain it. You talk to the camera.
One is
You
antibacterial.
talk to the camera. You show your face. Why latex is more nicer than the other foams?
First thing is it has high elasticity. So it
If you throw
has a
objects
natural-
in the foam, it will bounce.
bounce. So it has natural. It can still provide you the natural form of your body, even you sleep sideways or on your straight back.
Your spine will be straight.
Yeah, and
Okay.
second one is the
Antibacterial
antibacterial
property.
properties of latex. Oh, that's why it's very expensive because it has natural antibacterial properties. Then third one is that it can last more than 20 years.
It won't mold and it won't discolor.
So
That's why it's much more expensive than the other types of foam. Latex comes from rubber trees.
And if you ask me if I'm going to buy, I don't think so because
30 rubber trees is equivalent or can produce or can make
One
1
kilo.
kilo only. So, ang daming puno ang kailangan para makaproduce ng isang
one
1 kilo just like this. Yun. Bibili ka ba?
saan natin ilalagay yung kutso natin?
The answer is no.
No.
Huwag magpabudol. Yun lang yun, guys. Nasa Lovers Bridge kami, guys. So, merong binibentang locks. So, you can put your locks here. Parang Paris lang. Tapos, ito-throw mo daw yung key mo dyan sa dagat. So, that means that you are locked forever with your loved one. Husband, boyfriend, or kung sino man yan. This is facing the Dragon Bridge. Init guys. Pero compare daw sa Philippines, sa Cagayan de Oro, mas init daw ang Cagayan de Oro. 1 hour ta nila ibilin na rin, no?
Oh. Let's take time. Lovers
Take time lang. Lovers Bridge, Jolly Mart. Lahat, I think I've mentioned in the previous video, lahat ng mga convenience store dito, Mart ang tawag nila. So, nagde-defer lang sa first name ng store. Like, Kmart, Joy Mart, Star Mart, ano pa yun? Meron pa yung isa.
Pop Mart.
Oh, Pop Mart.
Jolly Mart.
So, parang yung mga stores, yung mga shop, Mart ang tawag nila. Guys, nakabili pala ako kanina sa silk shop. Pero yung binili ko is neck pillow lang. Na latex na yung foam niya. So, worth it naman kasi 1,000 plus pesos lang siya and latex foam na siya. Yung yate na nasa harap namin, actually di siya yate, ship talaga siya. Hindi na to siya bumabiyahe, naka-standby lang kasi ginawa nilang restaurant at coffee shop. Ganda siya guys.
History and the most expensive food in Vietnam right now, Asa. And over here we have a lot of the beautiful. Yeah, but that is meat. You want something like scratching? That's right. Scratching. Yeah, scratching the floor like this. And after that, what happened? Prices are the same. All the smaller, more expensive than for bigger a little bit because of some companies.
Galing na kami sa loob yung pearl shop. So, hindi ako nabudol doon kasi meron naman akong pearl and in the Philippines, may mga pearl naman tayo. So, hindi na bago sa atin. Now, bus ride again. After that, we'll go to a old village here in Vietnam. Tapos, I think doon na rin yung parang historical show. May 500 performers. So, good times. Then, I realized while editing na yun na pala yung last appearance ko sa vlog na to. Guys, the rest of the clips are on the road going to Hoi An and it's very nice. Gusto naming balikan in a separate trip talaga kasi kulang ang isang araw sa Hoi An pa lang. And by this time, ihahatid kami sa Hoi An Heritage Village and we were going to watch a show. That's it guys. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Ito yung pinakamataas sa lahat ng vlog na na-edit ko for this Vietnam series of vlogs and I hope it's been informative, helpful, and a little bit entertaining. And if you enjoyed, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you on the next few videos. Bye!
mauna sa dulo para hindi ma... Sky vibe?
Nagtanawa sa camera lang.
Oh, nice.
Tayo bahay?
Oo.
Tayo bahay ata. Oh, tayo bahay. Wow, nice.
Bagus pa rin ha.
Wedding, no? Wedding. Wow, nice. Gwapo kay sa camera love. Nice. elephant. Yung nasa taas ng elephant ang king. Diplomat, ito din yung wife niya. Yun. Wow, nice costume. Lip sync love. Oh, siya nga. Memory.